But of course, if not for them naman, that will not happen. Very busy, but you know, wala yung kita going in kasi sa napasaya ako tayo sa
mukha niya, because before you went here, bago ko mag-aral, kinausap ko yung mga tao dito, and you were telling me all about how you decided to have to fly up in the air from piloting, pero dahil kay mom, you wanted to fulfill your dreams of being an artist from the scenes. But also, I want to ask you, being part of the Oxygen family, having this big family of supporters, how does it feel to have these people right behind you?
Ang maganda rin kasi sa mga, with my supporters kasi parang since like Oxycure, I think ako yung parang first ever ambassador nila sa Philippines. It has been 4 years and it goes to show na because of their support, Oxycure still parang made it to a point na maging part pa rin ako ng family. And yun kasi, I am really a fan of supporting brands that are starting and that promises good quality, which Oxycure does it naman. I mean, ang dami kong nakakausap, even I use it as well. Kaya I'm feeling effect and happy ako na ganun din yung nagiging effect sa mga consumers.
Yung tamang tanong dyan, sino ang nag-Oxycure dahil kay Alden? But you know what, Alden, personally, this is my first time also meeting you. I do this job, usually naalala ko talaga kung sino yung makakausap ko. And I was so impressed to hear that beyond just being an actor, you reach out to the children, the youth for your education. So can we give them a big round of applause to my ambassador?
Natatawa lang ako sa kanila kasi lagi ko nakikita yung mga yan.
Right now, we were going to be having the meet and greet session in Alden, and we're going to bring you what only are celebrating the 4 years of Oxycure here in the Philippines, and also on those 4 years, kasama si Alden in that journey. So, palapakain natin ang Are you ready for a meeting? I'm ready for you to ask you if you want to stand up or sit down, it's up to you. But for now, everybody, without your you stand to the seats because we are going to call you our number. And also, right now, I'm happy to announce that our number 1 winner, please get up here and join us.
Yes, Karen. Ang signature. Sarap pa. Sarap pa. For you. Hindi na.
Meron tayong sahabang friend dito. Gusto mo ba yung ulitin mo kung ano yung sinabi mo? Ako true lang niya!
April, happy birthday!
And not only that, sabi niya na yung
Position. Ano ba yan? Nabudol. Thanks, Karen.
Congratulations. as an artist at Concealer, you know? So I want to ask you, before I start with Oxycare, what are these things you do, probably physically, maybe an activity to help you stay healthy, fit, and well?
Siyempre working out, hindi siya wala. And eating healthy at the same time. Tapos, ano lang, happy disposition lang para at least, kasi anything that happens within, nagmamanifest siya sa labas. So parang it's very important to really take care of your, your mental health as well. And you just have to do the things that you love para at least hindi ka na-burn out. Because ako hindi ko sasabihin na mahirap ang pag-aartista. Lahat naman ng trabaho is mahirap. Lahat ng trabaho natin mahirap. So there are different challenges and hardships. But doing the things that you love, somehow magiging worth it naman yung hirap na pinagdadaanan.
And since you said that doing things you love and doing it with people who also support you, they are worth it.
Yes.
Can I ask you, for you, what makes everything, this life, worth it?
Okay, sir.
I guess it's all about, lagi ko yung sinasabi, in the interviews na parang, in every day that you wake up, what legacy do you want to live sa mundong ito? Ano ba yung gusto mong maalala sa ibang tao when the time comes that you will not be here anymore? So, dun lang yun kasi from that, kumbaga sa pelikula, nakaisip ka ng movie, tapos ending agad. So, kapag may ending ka na, you will backtrack everything for you to meet that ending. So yun, what legacy do you want to live? That's a question. Every day.
It's a nice talk. So, parang looking at the book better? Hindi ito ba kami? No!
Yes.
Taasan ko natin a little bit. So everyone can hear our story. So, since you said, gusto ko yung nasabi mo, simula kayo sa dulo and then work it pa.
Backwards, yes.
Yeah, so you realize that everything you do today is contributing to that goal, to that dream.
Exactly.
Speaking of the journey, you have been an actor, a host, entrepreneur, brand ambassador, producer, all these mismatched vocals. What made you want to immerse in all these different things? Kasi di ba other people they want to focus on, but you choose the path that is more colorful as an artist.
Yes, kasi it's always about yung hunger for knowledge. So,
Oo nga eh.
Sinubukan at sinusubukan, just to get the hang of it, just to get the feel of it. Para, sabi nga nila, you only live once. So, YOLO. So, try mo na. Minsan may mga hindi magagandang experiences, but there are only learnings naman with those kinds of hardships. So, mas okay pa rin na subukan because you'll never know.
Are you the type of person, kunyari gagawa ka ng something new, or you're gonna be engaged, sabi ni manager, kailangan natin gawin ng project. Are you the type na confident agad sumalpak, or what happens in the mind of Alden?
No, there's no such thing as maybe confidence within, but not confidence na feeling ko kaya mo nang gawin lahat. Kasi that's the death of an actor for me. But right now kasi I'm at the point of my age in my career na I get to really study the project first if it's worth doing or not. Kasi matanda na rin naman ako. Kumbaga,
Di naman kayo! Di naman! 32 lang! 32 lang yan!
right now I'm at the stage of my career, it's really more self-preservation. Para, it's not really about being picky with the roles that you want to do, but it's more about, since we're working backwards, ano yung gusto natin contribute dun sa goal natin sa dulo.
Alright, that's lovely to hear. And since na-mention yung word mo, the keyword there is sustainability, right? It's, in the industry, it's a lot of work to, parang maraming sumisikat niya na nag-viral, but also, another thing to be there for a long time, for a long time.
Yes, exactly. Right now, with social media, ang bilis sumikat, pero because of social media also, ang bilis rin mawala. So it's always about, I'm really a fan of slow burn. You work your way up slowly. Hindi ka, parang workout din yan. Pero at the end of the day, you know that your goal is clear and where you'll go is clear in your head. So doon lang tayo lagi.
Thank you for that. Those are very wise words of wisdom. Not ka mamatanda.
Naging therapy nga ako. Therapy pa.
Yung mga keywords that I love is like sustainability, being clear with the ending or your goals in your head. Now, these words, I actually also attribute to our brand, being so straightforward, so clear in helping out our everyday needs. Lalong-lalo na for your line of work, day in, day out, hindi mo alam kung ano oras ka pupunta, ano location. How has OpSecure helped you in your journey?
No, hindi. Ako for me, sinasabi ko nito kay Nico and to the team na parang I never really had a hard time being the ambassador of this product kasi I've tried it. I know how it works sa akin, and nakikita ko rin yung mga tao na gumagamit na mga kaibigan ko. Nothing but good words. Sila, ginagamit nila. Kaya nga, walang may breakouts dyan. Wala lahat. Flawless yan. I think yung OpSecure also on their end did their homework as well. Hindi lang siya, hindi lang forget ating research ambassador and then OpSecure, gagawin na nila parang bara-bara yung product. So, OpSecure, especially sa tapings, lagi kong dala yung mga yung facial cleanser. Saka yung ito yung pH 5.5 for sensitive skin. At saka it's really consumer friendly, price reasonable,
Portable also.
and portable also. So yun lang. I'm just so proud to be part of this family for 4 going 5. Asan ba si going 5 ba?
Yeah.
Going 5 ba tayo?
Also, looking out for
I think going 5. So yun, I'm just blessed and happy.
Before I officially wrap it up, I want to thank you for your time. I want you to take the stage and tell everyone where they can support you, continue supporting you. Yeah?
Yun po. So, right now, may ginagawa akong series under GMA. It's Pulang Araw, coming very soon.
Dahil dyan, mag-exam tayo today.
Yes,
Eduardo!
I have already finished a movie I directed. So, yung Out of Order. Coming out this year also. So, yun po, doon muna.
So watch out for those projects. Again, not just in front of the screen, but at the back of the screen, flying in the air, singing music. Ewan ko kung ano-anong ginagawa ni Alden, but truly a man of many facets, a multi-talented. So everyone give a big round of applause for Ben and Becky. Officially wrap up, is it okay if we have a quick photo with an official photographer and
Group photo dun sa mga ano.
Okay, you can get your photo and show on the OpSecure team. The OpSecure team. Maglalagay kasi tayo on the
Bye-bye! Bye, Miss Mom!